welcome back to my channel. It's Kanisha Lachey here. So if you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back, K Squad. I missed you guys. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a monochromatic look. I'm so excited because the color I'm going to be doing is orange. I feel like I have been seeing orange everywhere, from like people clothes to like the hair to the makeup. I'm just like, okay, I want to try orange. But you know what, I've been wanting to try orange before I started seeing all of everybody wearing orange. So I'm just gonna put my little 2 cents in and do my orange look, okay? So what I'm gonna use today to create this look, this is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Foil Highlighter Duo with Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. So I'm gonna be using the orange shade. I'm gonna use my Morphe Time Jaclyn Hill, the Ring the Alarm palette. All right, K Squad. So do y'all like that name? First of all, K Squad. I'm trying to think of a little nickname for you guys. I thought of K Squad, so let me know if there's anything else y'all think would be cute. Let me know. So let's get right into the eyes. I already primed and everything. I'm also going to, just in case I have a little fallout, I'm going to put a little bit of powder down underneath my eye area. I'm just taking something really short and tight, and I'm taking the Mimosa Sunrise and just gonna really pack this color onto my lid first. So I'm kind of like just stamping this color onto the lid. So I really want to build this color up. I was gonna say build this trust. I do want to build y'all trust, but I want to build this color. Oh, that's so pretty already. I wanted to start this color from my lid up opposed to starting in my crease first, because I just want this to look really diffused and really like effortless. So I didn't want it to look too like done, if that makes sense. All right, so since this color is on here, next what I'm gonna do is go into the same color, and I'm just going in with a crease brush now, and I'm just going to go and start buffing out my edges. And I'm going in circular motions. I'm not going back and forth like this. Going from one end to the other and working in little sections and buffing this color out. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of brush from the Ring the Alarm, and I'm gonna take this into my crease. This is just going to diffuse a little bit more. And since it's matte, it's not gonna look too like shimmery, because I don't like my crease really shimmery. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna take is Mugshot, which is this deeper burnt orange, and I'm going to take this into my crease. So I'm applying this color further up, like right in here. Okay, so from there, like I'm telling you guys, this looks so simple. I feel like I'm done with my eyes. I don't want to do anything else. Now I want to put on a lash. I'm going to use some wispy lashes. These are from the I Envy collection, and these are in the style number 12. Okay guys, I'm going to do my lashes off camera, and then I will be right back. Alright guys, so my lashes are on. They look good. I'm going to dust away this excess powder. Now I'm gonna go and finish my lower lash line. I'm gonna take Mimosa Sunrise again, and I'm taking a MAC 221S brush. I'm just gonna go underneath my lash line. I'm just gonna do a wash of color. And then I'm gonna take Mugshot again and put this underneath my lash line. Boom. So I'm gonna use a Stila brown liner. I'm applying this on my waterline. Then I'm gonna use my Fenty mascara to coat my lashes. Okay guys, so I'm done with my eyes. I love the way these turned out. So I'm gonna move on to my cheeks and my lips. So I'm still gonna use this same color, For my cheeks, this is going to be my blush shade. What I'm going to do so it's not going to look like super shimmery and super orange. So I'm going to take a really big fluffy brush. I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics and it's my Ray Ray brush. This is the number 2 brush. And I'm going to use this and just give my cheeks a little love. On top of that, I'm gonna go in with Alert, and this is gonna give me like that color. I feel like the Fenty one gave me the glow, but I want a little bit more color. And I'm lightly just applying this color onto my face. This is the Kilowatt highlighter, Mean Money and Hustler Baby, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Mean Money and I'm gonna use my Big Fan for this. And this is just gonna give me a really soft glow, nothing too much. And I'm keeping this in a upward motion when I'm applying it. Now, we are still not done with this color just yet. We still have to finish off the lips. So for my lips, I'm gonna go in with NYX lip liner. This one is called Cafe Brun. Now we're going to take Mimosa Sunrise and apply that to our lips. Then we're still not done. I like more of a glossy lip, so I'm going to take Fenty Glow and apply that to my lip. Okay, you guys, so I am back. I put my hair back in a really sleek ponytail. Fire, I know. Alright, so I'm going to use my Hydrated Milky Mist from Pixie. I'm going to spray my décolleté and my shoulders. I'm going to get that all nice and wet looking. I'm going to spray my face too, why not? Ooh. Yeah. Now I'm going to take my Fenty Mean Money Hustler Baby. I'm going to take my Big Fan again. I'm just going to take both of them. Start basically giving me this glow all over look, and this is how I get my whole wet glowy look, you guys. Okay, K Squad, so what I did to my lip, because I did alter it a little bit, I added NARS the Velvet Lip Glide in Unlaced, and it is like a pinky nude color. It looks like that. So I added that into the center of my lip. I'm gonna add a little bit more. It was starting to look too like goldy, nudie looking, and I didn't like that, so I added this instead. This whole look is giving me vacation vibes. This glowy skin, this wet looking hair. I'm just here for all of it. If you guys are too, please share it and subscribe to my channel if you're not a part of the K Squad. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next upload. Bye y'all.